I'm going to quickly show you how to make a BBC iPlayer account outside the UK. The first thing you need to do is trick BBC iPlayer into thinking you're accessing it from within the UK. Now, the easiest way to do that is with a VPN. You can use any VPN, however, we think ExpressVPN is the best, and we actually have a deal going with them. You can get 3 months of your subscription free if you click on the link in the description below. Anyway, once you've got a VPN, you're going to want to connect to a UK server. So I'm just going to turn that on now. While that's going, it's important to know that you can do this pretty much on any browser. I'm currently on a MacBook, but you could do it on a PC. You can even do it on your phone. It all works the exact same. Okay, so now that I'm connected to a UK server, I'm going to open up my browser and I'm going to visit BBC iPlayer. Click on the website, the first website. Then up the top left, you're going to want to, I'm signed in, I'm just going to quickly sign out. Sign out. Alright, so it should look like this. It will say sign in up the top left if you haven't done this before, unlike me. So you'll click sign in. Then you'll go register now, just here. Whatever. Under 16, 16 or over. Probably best to go 16 or over. Click that. Put in your birth date. Now it's important to know that you should, your VPN will probably, if you put your VPN on the UK, it should automatically populate this with the UK. If it hasn't, just select the UK and make sure you're using an active email address, because you will get a verification email to make sure you're actually making an account. So I'm going to quickly put that in. Okay, so I've filled in my details, got my email, my password. I'm still on the United Kingdom here. It is going to ask you for a postcode. Now this needs to be a United Kingdom postcode. So any postcode would work. All I do is I search in Google, as you can see, random UK postcode. And there's a good tool by Dougal that will give you a postcode. Here we go. So you just click create a random postcode, copy it, then paste it in there, and that's going to go green if it's going to work. Boom, there you go. Hit register, and then all you need to do is verify your account on your email, and that's done. You can see that I'm now logged in, and I'll be able to watch BBC iPlayer outside of the UK. It's that easy.